Dental crowns. Meadowdale. Dental crowns. Meadowdale are popular options for restoring damaged or weakened teeth as well as improving appearance of your smile. If you're in Meadowdale and are considering dental crowns, you may be interested in a new approach called Meadowdale Tooth Jacket. The Meadowdale Tooth Jacket is a specialized type of dental crown that provides extra strength and durability. It is made of zirconia, a high-strength ceramic materials that is known for its durability and natural-looking appearance. The process of getting a Meadowdale Tooth Jacket is similar to that of a traditional dental crown. Your dentist will evaluate the tooth that needs a crown and take X-rays to determine the extent of the damage or decay. They will prepare the tooth by filling it down and taking an impression area. Once the Meadowdale Tooth Jacket are ready, your dentist will fill it over the prepared tooth to ensure a proper fit. They will check the color appearance of the crown to ensure it matches your natural teeth. Once the fit is confirmed, the dental crowns Meadowdale will be bonded to the tooth using dental cement. What is the cost of the Meadowdale Tooth Jacket? Dental crowns price. Meadowdale can vary depending on several factors, such as the complexity of the procedure, the number of teeth that needs crowns, and your dental insurance coverage. However, the Meadowdale Tooth Jacket may be more expensive than traditional porcelain crowns due to its higher strength and durability. Don't let damaged or weakened teeth keep you from having the healthy, beautiful smile you deserve. If you're in need of dental crowns in Meadowdale, WA, look no further than Robinson Dental Family Clinic. Don't wait. Schedule an appointment today by either browsing their website or giving them a ring. Let us help you achieve a healthy, beautiful smile.
At Robinson Dental Family and Cosmetic Dentistry, we are proud to offer high-quality cosmetic dentistry services to patients in Linwood, Meadowdale, Alderwood, Shoreline, Mount Lake Terrace, and Woodway, Washington. Led by experienced dentist Dr. Brent Robinson, our team is dedicated to helping patients achieve their desired results. To learn more about our services or schedule a consultation, please contact us today by calling 425-778-1164 or visit 19108 33rd Avenue West Suite B, Linwood, Washington, 98036. You may also visit our website at www.robinsondental.com.